Okay, sorry I can't be there with you guys today, so I'm going to go over a couple of things that you might need to remember from last week. So we learned about compound interest. So here's your formula. Write it down so you have it. So what you're going to want to do is pick out your P, your R, your T, and your N every single time. And you're plugging that into your formula. So here's your R. Remember, you have to move the decimal over twice. And then your N is the number of times it's been compounded. So I gave you that chart. This is monthly, so that's why your N is 12. So everywhere you see your N's, you need to have 12. Okay? And then another suggestion I gave you guys on Friday is making sure you do 12 times 13 is 156. You cannot put 12 times 13 in the calculator there because it's not going to give you the right answer. Okay, so you would just type in the 80,000 and then okay, so I would not worry about this part. What I would type in is this right here. But instead of the 12 times 13, you want to put the 156 in there. Okay? And then make sure you're careful. This says round to the nearest $10. Okay, so that's going to be the trickiest part, is making sure that you're rounding properly. So just watch out for that. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to show you is new. We haven't learned it. This is what I was supposed to teach you today. But unfortunately, the kids are not feeling good. So, compound continuously. So anytime you're reading and you see it's compounded continuously, this means you have to use a different formula. There it is. A equals P E to the RT. And I'll explain to you tomorrow what E means. But basically, I just need you to practice using the formula today. So you're going to pick out your P, your R, and your T. E is just a button on the calculator. And again, I will show you that tomorrow. But you can practice just using the formula. So, what you're going to want to do is once you get it into your formula, so we're on this step right here, you have to do the same thing with the R and the T. You have to multiply that in the calculator separately. So make sure that you take this rate and this time and you multiply it and you get 0.105. Now we have to learn how to type this in the calculator. Okay, so what you do is you type the 32,000 times, and you have to hit the second button, and then you're looking for the natural log button, which you learned about natural logs in Algebra 2. But basically, you are looking for the button that looks like e to the x power. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here's your calculator. You're hitting the second button, and then you're hitting e to the x, which is this ln button, the natural log. But do you guys see the ex is right there? Okay, so you're going to hit the second button, the e to the x, and then you're just going to type 0.105, and then hit enter, and you should get your answer here. So if I were you guys, before you even start your Delta Math assignment, I would make sure that you go through these two examples and make sure you're getting the same number that this is getting. Other than that, you guys are just going to have to practice and help each other today. The assignment has 10, so you have to get 10 of them, and make sure it's showing you 100% complete so you can get your points for tomorrow.